Hello students, so welcome to another video. Today's topic is thermodynamic derivation of chemical equilibrium. This is very important log question for the BSc. So now we'll continue about the thermodynamic derivation of chemical equilibrium. Now we will start the log question. Let us consider an equation small a capital A plus small b capital B to small n capital A plus small n capital A. This will take we as equation 1. So all the substances are in the gaseous form, and this is the sign of equilibrium. Now let here mu A and mu B are chemical potential of reactants A and B. mu A and mu B reactant A and B का chemical potential है, and similarly mu M and mu N are chemical potential of product M and N. mu A and mu B is the chemical potential of reactant A and B, and mu M and mu N are the chemical potential of M and N. Now we know the total free energy for reactant and product. We now found del G reactant and del G product. So total free energy for a reactant and product are summation of G reactant is equal to A into mu A plus small b into mu B was substituted. This will take as equation 2. This is how small a into chemical potential of A into small b into chemical potential of B, mu B. So del G reactant is equal to A into chemical potential of A, mu A, and B into chemical potential of B, mu B, and so on. Similarly, summation of G product is equal to small m mu m plus small n mu n. We'll take this as equation 3. Now, according as we know, as per law of chemical equilibrium, we know that del G is equal to 0. This implies that summation of G product minus summation of G reactant is equal to 0. Now we will put the values of summation G product and summation of reactant from equation 2 and 3. This implies the summation of G product M mu M plus N mu N was substituted minus A mu A plus B mu B is equal to 0. We'll take this as equation 5. We'll consider this as equation 5. Now we'll take this into the right hand side. So M mu M plus N mu N is equal to A mu A plus B mu B. We'll take this as equation 6. In the step, we only took the product side into the reactant and side. Further we know mu is equal to mu naught plus RT log P. This implies that mu A is equal to mu naught A plus RT log P. Now log PA. Now we'll find all the mu terms of all the terms of A, B, M and N. Now and further we put the values of mu A, mu B, mu M and mu N in the equation 6. So similarly mu B is equal to mu naught B plus RT log PB. This is very important topic for long question in BSc. And mu M is equal to mu naught M plus RT log PM, and mu N is equal to mu naught N plus RT log Pn. Now we'll take this as equation 8 and this will take as equation 7. Now we will put the values of equation 8 in the equation 6. Then now putting the values of equation 8 in equation 6. हम इक्वेशन 8 के वैल्यूज इक्वेशन 6 में पुट करेंगे. सो क्या होगा m इंटू म्यू एम. हम इक्वेशन 6 में क्या पाए म्यू एम इज इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट m प्लस RT ln PM प्लस n इंटू म्यू नॉट n प्लस RT ln Pn. This is m Pn is equal to A into mu naught A plus RT ln PA plus B into mu naught B plus RT ln PB. This is equal to this much. Now we will be multiplying these terms m into this bracket terms n into this bracket. Now we will multiplying m mu naught m plus m RT ln PM plus n mu naught n plus n RT ln Pn is equal to a mu naught a plus a RT ln PA plus B mu naught B plus B RT ln PB. Now multiplying these terms, this equation will be converted into this. Now taking a mu m to one term and a mu into b into one terms. This implies that a mu m plus n mu n plus m RT ln PM plus n RT ln Pn is equal to a mu naught a plus b mu naught b plus m a RT ln PA plus b RT ln PB. This is small b. Now this implies we know a ln b is equal to ln b to the power a. So now m mu naught m plus n mu naught n into RT ln p m to the power m plus RT ln p n to the power n is equal to a mu naught a plus b mu naught b plus RT ln p a to the power a plus RT ln p b to the power b. Now we will take the ln terms into one side and the mu terms into one side. So this implies that RT ln P into the power n plus RT ln P n to the power n minus RT ln P a to the power a plus RT ln P b to the power b is equal to a mu naught a plus b mu naught b. This is small b minus this is not anything more, so we will just simplifying the terms n mu naught n. This implies that further we will take common RT. Taking RT common, RT common n p n to the power n plus ln p n to the power n minus ln p a to the power a plus ln p b to the power b is equal to, will this is minus del g naught. This implies that we know ln a plus ln b is equal to ln ab. RT is equal to ln p n to the power n into p n to the power n minus ln p a to the power a into p b to the power b is equal to minus del g naught. This implies that RT, further we know ln a minus ln b is equal to ln a by b, ln p m to the power m into p n to the power n divided by p a to the power a into p b to the power b is equal to minus del g naught. Further, this implies that ln p m to the power m into p n to the power n divided by p a to the power n p b to the power b is equal to, will take the RT into the right hand side, equal to minus del g naught by RT. Further, when we omit the ln into this side, this will be converted into e to the power. So this implies that p m to the power n into p n to the power n divided by p a to the power a into p b to the power b equal to e to the power minus del g by RT. Now we will take it as a constant Kp. Constant Kp. This implies that where Kp is equal to p m to the power m into p n to the power a divided by p a to the power a into p b to the power b. And further, this is in terms of pressure, but in terms of condition, in terms of concentration, okay, see here we put in terms of p, we will write about c m to the power n, c n to the power n divided by c a to the power a into c b to the power b. Similarly, in terms of molar concentration, in terms of mole fraction, x will be write kx is equal, in terms of c we will write about x m to the power n, x n to the power n divided by x a to the power a into x b to the power b. This is all about the thermodynamic derivation of chemical equilibrium. In the next class we will discuss about the relation between Kp, Kc and Kf. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for the new videos, and we will be back with new videos about the relation between Kp, Kc and Kx. Please like, share and subscribe and comment your problems. Thank you.